This is the JetPik JP200 Power Floss System. Compared to some other popular dental hygiene kits with similar capabilities, this is a very compact design that takes up less than half the amount of space of similar products. So if you're like me and your bathroom is really small, this is a great option. This is not my bathroom, by the way. I'm shooting this video in a hotel. My own bathroom's just way too small for shooting video. But anyway, let me show you how this JetPik system works. This cup that you see here, this is the entire water tank. There's no large device with a noisy motor that you have to plug into the wall or anything. This is it. At the bottom of the cup is a hose that you can unwind and plug into the JetPik power handle to supply the water. The water flosser nozzle attaches to the top of this handle, like this. Fill up the cup with water and you're good to go. Again, there's no power cable to plug into the wall. This unit uses a rechargeable battery, and this battery lasts a very long time. This unit doesn't work with just different types of flosser nozzles. It can also be used as an electric toothbrush. So you don't need two different devices for flossing and brushing. This is all you need. As you can see here, JetPik's flosser nozzle is kind of special. It doesn't just shoot out water. There's actually a string floss capsule that you put inside, and the string shoots out with the water to do a much better job of cleaning your teeth. It's also a good idea to clean your tongue, and that's what this thing is for. When I'm finished, I like to just leave everything out on the counter like this. But if you like to put everything away, you can roll up the water hose and put everything else in the cup. Again, there's no power cable or giant motor. Everything is compact and the whole thing takes up very little space. The charging unit is really small too, and the kit also comes with a travel case. I think this is a really great kit for dental hygiene. If you do some comparison shopping, you're going to see that other units that have the same features tend to be much bigger and need to be plugged into a power socket. But I like this one because it takes up very little space and their flossers work really well. I didn't go into all the details, but you can learn more at JetPik's website or on Amazon.com. I'm going to put the links in the video description. Thanks for watching.